If you're looking to level up your digital marketing game with the latest AI tech, this Conversion Agent AI review is for you. Released just recently, this tool is already making waves, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's the right fit for your business. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could completely transform the way you approach conversions. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Conversion Agent AI for free. Yes, you heard that right. Check the first link in the description and you'll get full access to test it out. So let's jump right into it. First off, Conversion Agent AI is designed to optimize your sales funnel. This tool uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze your landing pages, email campaigns, and ad creatives, offering insights that help you improve your conversion rates. It's like having a digital marketing expert on your team 24/7, working behind the scenes to ensure your content resonates with your target audience. Whether you're an e-commerce store owner or a digital marketer, this software claims to optimize for every stage of the funnel, from initial engagement to final conversion. One of the standout features of Conversion Agent AI is its ability to generate high-converting copy. Gone are the days of spending hours brainstorming ad headlines or crafting email subject lines. The AI tool can generate copy based on your brand's tone and style, while also making sure it's fully optimized for conversion. So if you're struggling with writer's block or you simply don't have time to experiment with different messaging, Conversion Agent AI steps in to help create content that actually converts. Another impressive feature is its real-time analytics. Unlike traditional analytics tools, which can sometimes feel like they just throw numbers at you, Conversion Agent AI provides actionable insights. You get easy-to-read reports on how your campaigns are performing and, more importantly, suggestions on how to tweak them for better results. It's data-driven and straightforward, designed to save you time so you can focus on scaling your business, not just analyzing stats. Next, let's talk about automation. Conversion Agent AI automates many of the tedious tasks involved in running a campaign, whether it's A/B testing, segmenting your email lists, or optimizing your landing pages based on user behavior. This software streamlines those processes, giving you more time to focus on strategy. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about scaling your marketing efforts without losing the personal touch. But what about integrations? If you're using other marketing platforms, you'll be happy to know that Conversion Agent AI plays well with most popular software. It integrates smoothly with CRMs, email marketing tools, and analytics platforms, ensuring that you're not stuck juggling multiple systems. This makes it a solid choice for businesses already using other tools, and the setup process is fairly seamless. Another thing you need to know is that Conversion Agent AI is designed to be beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. The platform's interface is clean, intuitive, and well-structured. Whether you're new to AI tools or you're a seasoned marketer, the learning curve is minimal. You can quickly jump in and start creating campaigns without needing to spend hours reading tutorials. Lastly, let's talk about the cost. While most AI software of this caliber can be expensive, Conversion Agent AI offers a pretty competitive pricing model, especially considering the value it brings to your business in terms of time saved and the increased conversions you'll likely see. Plus, as mentioned, you can try it for free through the link in the description. Now, if you're still wondering whether this software lives up to the hype, here's the bottom line. Conversion Agent AI is designed to improve the core of your digital marketing, your conversions. It does so through AI-driven insights, automation, and a user-friendly interface that's accessible even for beginners. If you're interested, I've also left a list of my top recommended AI tools in the description below after testing thousands of them. These are the tools that I believe will make a real difference in your digital marketing strategy. So if you've been looking for an AI tool that's powerful, easy to use, and delivers results, Conversion Agent AI could very well be the solution you've been waiting for. Be sure to check it out using the link below.